Winter portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, winter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Winter ARC 14S 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a highly effective dual hose unit that provides exceptionally effective cooling when you need it most. Utilizing a dual hose system, this unit is able to more efficiently cool and maintain the conditions within a room. This portable air conditioner comes in two versions: the ARC 14S, which is a cool-only unit, and the ARC 14SH, which has a heat pump function that can be used as a space heater during cooler weather. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our winter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Next, tighten the screws to hold the slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing inside. Insert the fixtures to the holes of the window slide bar. Make sure the two closure tabs of the fixture are facing the inside. Install the 4 screws of the fixture from the inside. The end of the screws should point towards the outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. Attach the hose connectors to both ends of the hoses. Attach one end of the hoses to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hoses as needed and attach the other end to the window slide bar. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your winter portable air conditioner. Pull open the top air vent. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the plus and minus buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. This unit comes equipped with a pre-filter as well as an odor neutralizing carbon filter. portable air conditioners offer mobile and convenient cooling solutions anywhere you need it. With an easy setup and powerful cooling, winter portable air conditioners provide a convenient way to stay cool and comfortable. The Winter ARC 10WB 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is extremely compact, effortlessly portable, and can be easily set up in any small space. This highly functional portable air conditioner combines smart styling and impressive cooling output for robust, everyday use. For the portable air conditioner to cool effectively, the hot air the unit removes from the room needs to be vented to the outside. The window venting kits that come with our winter portable air conditioner fits most standard windows. You may make a custom modification and vent the exhaust through a wall or into a drop ceiling. Lift the window and adjust the window slide bars to the width or height of your window. Insert the plastic plug into the inner slide bar to keep the window slide bars in position. Make sure the grooved side of the window slide bar is facing outside. Close the window tightly enough to hold the slide bar in place. For easier attachment, extend the exhaust hose out about 6 inches before attaching the adapter. Attach the window slide bar hose adapter to the exhaust hose. Now attach the black hose connector to the back of the air conditioner. Extend the hose as needed and attach the other end of the hose into the window slide bars. The easy setup process is complete. You can now enjoy your winter portable air conditioner. Power on the unit using the control panel. Select Cool Mode by pressing the Mode button. Set desired temperature by pressing the up-down buttons. Select fan speed by pressing the fan button. Press the swing button to enable the vent swing function. Multi-directional casters allow for easy mobility without having to lift the unit. The unit comes with an easily removable slide-out filter at the back of the unit and is easily washable.
Unlike a window or central air conditioning unit, portable air conditioners are easy to install and do not require permanent installation. They are a low-cost and energy-saving alternative to central air systems as they cool one room instead of the whole house. The Winter ARC 148 MHP 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner with heat and auto drain pump provides up to 14,000 BTUs of cooling and 11,000 BTUs of heating output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. This versatile unit has 4 different modes: cool, dehumidify, fan, and heat mode. A convenient 24-hour on-off timer that allows you to customize to your specific schedule. A handy remote control that easily controls the fan speed, temperature, timer, vent swing, and function mode settings even from a distance. The patented self-evaporating function of this PAC fully exhausts all condensation automatically in most environments. In high humidity or low temperature environments, the PAC may need to be drained. This unit comes with a lower and upper drain port as well as an auto drain pump. The auto drain pump function can pump moisture out through the included drain tube in heat mode only. One of the main features of this PAC is the Silver Shield pre-filter and the 3M antimicrobial filter. The antimicrobial agent helps inhibit the growth of mold and mildew, and the microstructured electrostatically charged filtration media traps and retains particles. Here's how easy a PAC can be set up. All winter portable air conditioners include a complete setup kit for exhausting through a standard vertical or horizontal sliding window. When using a portable air conditioner unit, hot air must be exhausted out of the room to complete the air exchange of the condenser. When the unit is operated in dehumidify or fan-only mode, installation of the exhaust hose is optional. Pull to extend about 6 inches of one end of the exhaust hose. Install the round connectors on each end by turning counterclockwise. Push in and hook round connector into the hole seat at the back of the unit. The extended window slider bars are designed to fit most standard vertical and horizontal sliding windows. To install, open the window approximately 5 inches. Adjust the length of the window slider bars to fit the length or width of the window opening. You may need to purchase additional sliders if your window is oversized. Close the window onto the window slider bars. Move the unit to the window, extend the hose, and snap it into the window slider bar. Portable and easy to set up, the Winter ARC 148 MHP portable air conditioner with heater, 3M and silver shield filter plus auto pump offers cooling relief and clean air in any room. Please visit our website for the most current winter portable air conditioners lineup.